Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video on decoration ideas I will share you. So friends, let's start today's video. Viewers and viewers, fabric crafts are a wonderful way to use colorful soft materials with just a piece of fabric. You can create beautiful handmade items for your home decoration, gifts and personal use. Fabric flowers are simple and elegant cut piece of fabric into pastel shades, then swing or glue them together to make a rose tulip tassels. You can choose them as brooches, hair clips or home decoration. Add beads or pearl for extra charm. Patchwork is a classic fabric craft. Use small fabric piece or to make quilt, blanket or pillow covers. Mix colors, patterns and texture to create unique designs. Patchwork is perfect for both traditional and modern home decoration. Fabric crafts are perfect for making handbags, small bags and pouches. You can combine different fabric, add zip buttons or embroidery and create something unique and stylish. Fabric bags are practical, friendly and handmade. Home decoration items use fabric to make table runner, cushions or wall hanging. Combine fabric with lace, beads, ribbon for elegant design. You can also make fabric basket or storage box for a rustic creative touch to touch at home. Fabric jewelry, small piece of fabric can be turned into earring, necklaces, bracelets. Swing fabric to create unique handmade accessories, add beads, button or charm to make the jewelry even more special. Fabric is perfect for making soft dolls, animals or toys. Swing the piece together carefully, fill them with cotton or soft stuff and decorate with buttons, embroidery or felt. Fabric toys are safe, fun and perfect as a gift for children. Use fabric scarves to create wall hanging. You can paint, swing, glue the fabric into patterns or shapes. It is a creative way to add color, texture to your wall. Use a sharp scissor to cut clean shapes. Combine different color, texture, patterns to create interest. Take your time while swing, gluing or stitches. Fabric crafts are colorful, soft. They bring creative charm and personality to your home and style. Every piece is unique and handmade with care. From flower, quilt or bag, dolls and decoration, fabric crafts are fun, practical and weavers. Soft, colorful and creative fabric crafts bring joy. Every stitch, fold and glue creative something magical. So Allah Hafiz. Thanks.